At Ador, we work closely with our distributors in creating the best welding experience. To make transactions easier and more efficient for you, we are launching Falcon, an online do-it-yourself platform that simplifies the order booking process, giving full control and ownership to you. A simple login process using your registered mobile number or distributor ID, accessible on your tab, mobile or web application. All your information is easily available at your fingertips. A single platform to view your past orders and make a new purchase. Easy payments with the all-new Ador Cash or e-payment for a smooth checkout process. Ador Falcon. Experience, convenience, transparency, and accessibility, ensuring peace of mind.